Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix when our display settings and the personalized settings is not working in our Windows 10 devices. Okay, so when you make a right click on your device and then you go to display settings, for example, display settings or personalized settings, and you get this error that says MS settings personalization background error, then let's fix that by just following these few simple steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so in here in our Windows search tab, please type CMD, and then under best match, please make a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, so once this black window is up on our screen, all we need to do here is just paste the command that you will see in the description box below, the first command. So this one, please copy it and then just paste it here. So once pasted and you hit enter, the moment you hit enter, it will take 30 minutes to 1 hour to finish repair the whole device. So it will restore the health, deployment, image servicing, and management tool. And once done, just restart the device and see if your display settings is already working. Okay, so if it's not, then let's proceed with the next step. Again, on your Windows icon, please make a right click and then go to run options. So once this run window is up on your screen, please copy or please type this command that you will find in the description box below and then paste it here. And then once pasted, please click on OK or enter. So that command will reset the cache on Microsoft Store, which is related to the display. And once done, just restart your device and see if it's working. Okay, and if it's still not working, then let's proceed with the last step. And all we need to do is just go again with our Windows search tab and there type CMD. Under best match, go again, click with the command prompt and make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator and just click on yes. So here all we need to do is again copy and paste the command that you will see in the description box below. It's sfc space / scan now, sfc space / scan now. And then the moment you're done typing, please click on or please press enter. Okay, so this will basically replenish all the Windows files, and this process might take 30 minutes. So after this is done, please just restart your device and see if the display settings and the personalized settings are working already. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.